Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I want to thank Nadula for sponsoring this video and sending over this 13x4 Yaki straight pre-everything wig. It did come pre-cut. The lace is pre-cut. It's pre-plucked and the knots were pre-bleached. It also came with this part and the swoop as well. The lace looks amazing and the hair came pre-curled. Listen, it's ready to go. It also has a drawstring in the back that I'll show you guys for a nice, snug, secure fit. It's perfect. But if you guys want to see me install this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. And let's get into this quick install because it was so speedy. Everybody, welcome back. Oh my gosh, it's been so long. Today we're working with Nadula. Y'all, I think they sent me over a bob. I think I got a bob. So first you're gonna get a baby hair brush, really cute, edge wrap, wig caps, the wig. I have a glare going on from my vanity. My vanity is white. And so there's a glare right here. I don't know. I don't know how I'm supposed to fix it. You got your everything stickers. This is a 13x4 pre-everything lace wig and it's 12 inches. I believe it's Yaki straight. Oh, there is a drawstring on here as well. So let's get a close-up on the lace. Lace is looking good. It's already in a side part with a swoop. Looks so good. It's pre-everything, so it's already pre-cut. The lace is pre-cut, it's pre-plucked, and the knots are pre-bleached. It looks really, really good. Let's get into the construction of the wig. A lot of parting space, lots of lace. It's a 13x4. They do come with some stickers on the ear tabs, so that should be nice and easy to install. We have an adjustable elastic band, and then we also have a drawstring at the bottom for a nice comfortable fit. We've got the adjustable straps here as well, and a comb at the bottom. Yeah, so this is looking like it's gonna be nice and easy. It already came curled for us as well, which is beautiful. I might have to touch up the curls a little bit, but honestly it looks so good and it looks ready to go. So maybe I won't need to glue this baby down. I don't know. Let's see, but I'm gonna install this real quick. I'm gonna just throw some foundation on the lace off camera and then I'll be back to install this real quick and I'll give you guys my thoughts at the end. All right, you guys, so I finished styling the hair. Isn't it so freaking pretty? So this is a 12-inch Yaki straight, and it's given like asymmetrical, so it's a little shorter in the back and then it gets longer in the front. I feel like the front is where the 12 inches comes in, but nonetheless it is very, very beautiful, so pretty. The texture is really nice. It's like a sleeky, coarse texture. The wig is still glueless. I did not glue it down, y'all. I did use the little ear tabs on the side, which feel really secure and nice. But yeah, she looks freaking beautiful. Also, with the drawstring in the back, it is very, very comfortable in the back. The wig just feels really, really secure and comfortable on my head. But isn't she so cute? I feel like this wig looks so freaking classy. The texture, it just has so much movement. It's not stiff at all. Just really nice quality hair. I did go ahead and throw some more curls in there as well. The curls look really, really cute. But yes, this is the wig from Nadula Hair. It is a 13x4 pre-everything wig. So the lace was pre-cut, pre-plucked, and the knots are already bleached. It comes with a drawstring. It came with this part as well, which made it really, really easy and beginner friendly. It cuts the styling time in half because you didn't have to part your hair at all. It already came with the swoop that was already cut as well, and the sticky ear tabs. So everything was really, really nice and convenient. It was so quick to install. So if you're in like a time crunch, this is really, really good for that. If you just don't want to spend a lot of time on your hair, it already came pre-curled. I just put some more curls in it, but you don't actually have to do that. So this is perfect for the beginner-friendly girls, the girls that are in a rush. You know, they just want to, you know, hurry up and put themselves together. This is perfect. And the hairline just looks so freaking natural, and it is glueless, you guys. Thank you again, Nadula, for sponsoring this video and sending over this wig to me. Make sure you guys check the description box. I will have the direct link in there as well as a discount code. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.